What is up, Wanderers? It is time for another one-take bag review, and this time we've got something cool for you. I'm actually already wearing it. It is the KangaTek Bandolier bag. What? Yes, that is absolutely right. Bandolier bag, a style of bag that really hasn't even ever had its time in the spotlight. It's not a fanny pack, it's not a sling pack, it's a bandolier pack. Think Chewbacca, but useful. So let's get started on this review. You know how we do things here. We do a full walkthrough of the bag. We do 2 things we like and 2 things we don't like about the bag, and then an overall recommendation. What is up? Should you buy this bag? Let's dig into it. All right, so first off, you can see there ain't much to this bag, but there ain't much to this bag. Look at this thing. It is slim. You can wear it under a jacket. You can wear it under a sweatshirt or a sweater or a hoodie. This thing is awesome. It's discreet, it is small, and it is super low profile. So what are we putting in this bag? Let's check it out. So first off, it's reversible. You can flip it and wear it either way, okay? So either shoulder. What do we have going on here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 major pockets on this KangaTek, okay? Up top, in this first pocket, we have a headphone pass-through, so you could put your phone very easily in there. I went ahead and just tossed a wallet in that top pocket. Second pocket, about the same size as the first pocket. I tossed some AirPods in there. Next pocket, much larger. I put a DJI pocket and a backup battery in there. Last pocket, really long pocket, about 10 inches long. What did I put in there? Well, I put in there a passport, a flashlight, a Sharpie. So what are you not going to be carrying in this bag? You're not going to be carrying a laptop. You're not going to be carrying a tablet. That's not what this is about. This is a small travel belt bag, but it is crossbody style, okay? So crossbody style instead, and I put it on the other way this time, crossbody style instead of a fanny pack or a hip pack. This will be much slimmer, tight to your body. You can wear this out and about. It is super incredibly useful. I'm going to Europe soon. This bad boy's coming with me, wearing it under the jacket. Nobody's gonna pickpocket me. Love it. All right, so if you like this bag, if you like unique reviews like this, please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you like the video. All right, 2 things we like about this bag. Number 1, it is reversible. You can wear it either way. Love that. It is also incredibly slim and low profile. I've been looking for a bandolier style bag for a long time. I finally found this one. I am delighted that I found this bag in this form factor. I kind of wanted to create it since I didn't think it existed, but they beat me to it. What do we not like about this bag? Well, first off, don't really need the headphone pass-through in the age of modern earbuds. And we also probably could have used some better, higher quality materials on this bag, okay? So the zippers are not wonderful. The bag is neoprene. I'm not sure how well that's gonna hold up, and I think it's also gonna sweat a little bit next to my body. I'd like to see a bag like this in X-Pack. How sweet would that be? But I'm gonna put a link into, this is gonna bother you guys, but you're not getting this bag on Amazon. I had to go and find this bag on a geocaching site from Germany. I am not kidding you. A geocaching site from Germany. But I found it, I ordered it, it arrived in less than 2 weeks, and I love it. I got 2 different colors. I got the brown and the orange. If you guys get this, you're welcome. But also let me know what you think, and let me know if you like unique bags like this that you're not gonna find on any other channel. Everybody, thanks a ton. I hope you like this bag review, and I hope that you subscribe if you're new here, but let's go. Bandolier bags, let's bring them back. Thanks everybody. We'll talk to you next time. Bye, Wanderers.